Python is == operator precedence. In Python 3, returns false, but returns true. So I would assume based on this example alone, == has precedence over is. However, returns true and returns true, but returns false. In this case, it would seem as if is has precedence over ==. To give another example, and this expression isn't meant to do anything, but bear with me please. If I say, it returns true, but both of the following return false. So clearly, Python isn't evaluating these with some strict precedence, but I'm confused what is going on. How is it evaluating this expression with two different operators, but differently from either order?
What you see here is operator chaining, and there is no precedence involved at all. Python supports expressions like, to test that a number is in between 1 and 3, it's equal to, 1 is lower than a, and, a is lower than 3, except that a is only evaluated once. Unfortunately, that also means that, for example, actually means, which is of course true, and the longer example you started with, means, which can only be true if both A and B are none. Documentation here, see the bit about chaining. Very useful sometimes, but it also pops up when you least expect it.
According to the documentation, all Python comparisons operators has same priority. There are 8 comparison operations in Python. They all have the same priority, which is higher than that of the Boolean operations. However, by wrapping comparisons with the brackets, they start to be the atoms expressions, so statements in brackets evaluated before statements outside, that impacts the order of the evaluation. I will decompose the first contradictional case, the all others is similar. For documentation the priority is the same, so evaluation is next. Please see order for the second case below.
If you want to support the show, please consider subscribing.